Okay, we're going to continue on the back of the paper that we were just doing. This is another type of problem where they give you the graph already, everything's been shaded, but you only see the double shaded area. This is the double shaded area, and you're to prove whether points are solutions or not, and you're to come up with the equations yourself. So notice how this one is like written in dashed form because it belongs to the dash. I want the equation of the dashed line there, and then the one for the solid line here. So before we prove the ordered pairs of solutions or not, let's go ahead and find the equations. Let's start with the dashed line. The dashed line has a positive slope with a y-intercept of 2. So I'm going to put it right here, plus 2. I'm going to pick another perfect little point, okay, maybe down here. And then I'm going to do rise over run. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Well, 4 over 2 is just 2. And I'll put my y. And then if I stand here in my y-intercept, where is the shaded part? Is it below me or above me? Well, it's above me. All of this is right here. So then it's the greater than sign. And there's the inequality for the dashed. Now let me find the inequality for the solid. Well, the solid line has a negative slope, but it also has a y-intercept of 2. So that part's going to stay the same. Then I'm going to pick another little point, this one right here, and it's down 1, right 2. So my slope is negative 1/2 x. I'm going to put my y. And then where's the shading? Below me or above me? Well, it's also above. So then it's the greater than, but this one does get the line at the bottom because it is solid. Now, let's figure out if the points landed on the double shaded. 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Yes. 0, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it in the double shaded? No, it would only be a solution for the solid. Okay, so no. 2, negative 1. 2, negative 1. Nope, that's not a solution for either. And then 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. This one is. Okay, so let's go ahead and practice some more. Now we're graphing ourselves. Notice that today they're all in slope-intercept, so we don't have to worry about standard form and changing them ourselves, okay? So y mx plus b, so y-intercept is 0. It's not a Hoyer box, okay? It's got both letters, so regular line. So I'm going to graph this one. Y-intercept is 0. Slope is 2. Rise 2, 1 to the right. Rise 2, 1 to the right. I could also go down 2, left 1. Type of line is going to be dashed. And it's the greater than. So greater means up. So all of this. All right, solid line. Y-intercept of 3. Negative slope, so down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. I could also go up 2, left 1, and it's a solid line. And this one is greater, so I stand here and I go up. So there is my solution area right here, the double shaded. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 4. And the non-solution, it could come from either the green, the white, or the blue. Let's do the last one. This is basically tomorrow's lesson, okay, where they're in standard form and we're having to change them to y equals mx plus b format first so that we can graph it and then we can do the shading and all. So let's start with equation 1. 2y plus x is less than 6. And let's solve it for y. So here's the y. I'm not going to move that one. You always move the number with the x. So notice how they try to trick you by putting it second. So you're going to do minus x, minus x. So you've got 2y is less than 6 minus x, and you're going to divide by 2. I'm not flipping my sign because I'm dividing by a positive 2, so stays. 6 divided by 2, 3, and this is just going to be negative 1/2 x. And I'm going to graph it. Okay, so my y-intercept is a 3, down 1, right 2, or up 1, left 2, with a dashed. And that sign is the one my left hand makes, so it's the less than. So that means you stand on your y-intercept and you go down. Now I'm going to take my second equation. I can already tell this one is going to flip, notice. Okay, so move your number with the x. Negative y is greater than 4 minus 3x, and divide everybody by a negative 1. So y now is less than negative 4, negative a negative, positive 3x. So my y-intercept is negative 4, and my slope is a positive 3. So up 3, right 1, up 3, right 1, up 3, right 1. And it's a dashed as well. And it's a less than. So if I stand here, less is down. So my solutions are going to be found right here on the blue and the green area. So I can put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, negative 3. Now, on tests, they might ask you, hey, is the point of intersection a solution? Don't get it confused with systems of equations. In systems of equations, that would be the solution. These are inequalities. So you've got to check if that point lands on the double shaded. And since both lines are dashed, solutions are not found on dashed lines. So in this case, it would not work. So make a little mental note of that.